Hi, in this video, you will learn how to archive a classroom and students on CodeMonkey. We'll start with archiving classrooms. You should archive a class you no longer teach and would like to hide from the classroom list. Now, to archive a classroom, click on See My Classrooms. Then choose which classroom you would like to archive. Let's say I want to archive Mr. Katz's PM class. I'll go to the Actions tab and click on the drop-down arrow. And here it says, please note, archiving this classroom will not free up student seats. I'll go ahead and click on Archive. Type Archive to confirm. And there we go. Now that classroom was successfully archived. Now let's archive a student. So I'll click on the classroom the student I want to archive belongs to. I'll click on Students. And here you will see that next to all of the student names is the archive option. So let's say I want to archive student demo 1. I'll click on Archive. Again, this will not free up student seats. Type Archive to confirm. Awesome. So now this student no longer appears in the student list. Now let's say I want to unarchive a classroom and students. So I will scroll down to the Archive section, click on it, and there you will see all the classrooms that you archived. You can click on Restore Classroom to put it back in the classroom list. And if you want to unarchive a student, scroll down a little bit more and you will see the students that were archived. And I will restore. Awesome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it. Have a great day and happy coding!